Miss Johnson?
What's wrong, Jimmy?
Oh, nothing's wrong, but I saw you on the internet last night.
The internet? Where on the internet?
How'd you get stuck in a washing machine?
Jimmy, why were you looking at that video?
How'd you get stuck in the washing machine, Miss Johnson? There was space. You could have backed out.
Jimmy, why were you watching that video?
And then the dude who came to help you wasn't even helping, Miss Johnson. What was he doing? He just had to pull you out.
Like, honestly, Miss Johnson, I'm not even gonna lie. You look stupid. Like, you look
You're
stupid.
only
in this
5 years
situation.
old.